University in Israel has developed a new coronavirus test that gives results in less than a minute with more than 90% accuracy. Fox News correspondent Trey Yingst takes a closer look.
A university team in Israel has developed a coronavirus test capable of returning results in under a minute. The team is led by Professor Gabby Sarusi, and they say their results are 90% accurate. It's a very simple setup. It involves a plastic breathalyzer, a nanochip, and a machine that analyzes the particles on your breath, comparing them to a control sample. All of this after the professor says he got bored during quarantine, phoned up a friend, and asked him to 3D print the original breathalyzer used. Here's a look at what it was like taking this new COVID-19 test. What's unique about this test is that the results come back in under a minute. So once it is available to the general public in places like airports and bus stations, people could easily take this test and know within a minute if they test positive for COVID-19.
Thank you.
It's a simple test, easier than a breathalyzer. You just blow in 3 times, and then the nanochip inside is going to be analyzed to determine whether or not I test positive for COVID-19.
Usually in the medical arena, in biological arena, you have to do a lot of tests in order to get statistics. But in physics, once you have the theory, once you have the simulation, and you know exactly what you are expecting to see, and when you see it, one is enough.
We see that the spectrum is exactly overlapping. There's no difference between the reference one and your one.
The fact that we see that there are overlap says that you are healthy.
Certainly a relief to get a negative test back. Countries around the world are hoping that an increase in testing will lead to life returning to normal more quickly. A lot of work to be done, though, in finding proper treatment and vaccines. In Jerusalem, Trey Yingst, Fox News.